can I say to that? But the door to the heart is open and shut, like the warmth of your breath. Everyone longs to be heard, but we tend to get caught in the noise. Oh, would I give how far I'd search, and just to hear your voice, if this was our last dance. I'd wait in the rain to see your face. If this was our last chance, I'd ask you to stay for one last dance. Well, I'm not afraid of dying. There's too much to miss in life, but I can't begin to even imagine you're not by my side, and I'm not afraid of tomorrow.
Но вы здесь, потому что вы друг друга любите. Посмотрите друг другу в глаза и скажите, так ли это? Любите ли вы? Тогда ответьте, является ли ваше решение вступить в брак свободным, взаимным и добровольным?
Да.
Прошу ответить жениха.
Да.
Уважаемые Кирилл и Катерина, в присутствии родителей, гостей, ваш брак регистрируется.
Now that I've lost everything to you, say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you have a lot of nice things to wear, but then a lot of nice things turn bad out there.